Hello, everybody. I'm having another day at the pool because tomorrow we have rains. But here we go. Our first card is angel number 1234, and that is persistence. Spirit wants you to know they are seeing your persistence and that you are trying your very best to stay in alignment with your soul's journey. Today you must make new. Today is your new beginning day. Try to leave any past mistakes in the past. Don't allow them to weigh you down. Move forward today with confidence and knowing that you have better, brighter days ahead of you. Be true to yourself in all ways. Not everyone will get you. They can only understand from their level of perception. That's on them. No matter what people say, don't ever doubt your worth or the beauty you hold within. Stand tall in your power. A hidden power, they say, within you is awakening. You must embrace this. Surround yourself with love. You are open to receiving and information from your angels. You can see clearly around you now. You've tried different things and they are where you are just being patient, and that's good. The sun is shining on you. Things are coming to full circle, but there's luck on your side. There's happiness coming your way. Things that you could do nothing more about, you've moved away from it once and for all, and you're following your own light now. There's something coming your way that's going to take you by surprise, but it's going to bring you a whole lot of happiness. Have a lovely afternoon. I love you all.